In this video, I will show you how to deploy an Emergent AI app on Netlify step by step. First, open Emergent AI in your browser and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your account settings and find the option to connect to GitHub. Click on Connect and authorize Emergent AI to access your GitHub account. Make sure you allow the required permissions so your projects can be saved. Now open the project you want to deploy. Check that everything works as expected. After that, look for the option to save to GitHub. Choose your GitHub account, select a repository name, and confirm the save. Wait until the process is complete and your project appears in your GitHub repositories. Next, open a new tab and go to Netlify. Sign in to your Netlify account or create one if needed. From the Netlify dashboard, click on Import from Git. When asked to choose a Git provider, select GitHub. Netlify will now show a list of your repositories. Find the project you just saved from Emergent AI and select it. Netlify will load the deploy settings automatically. In most cases, you can leave the default settings as they are. Click on Deploy and wait while Netlify builds and publishes your app. Once the deployment is finished, Netlify will give you a live URL. Open the link to confirm your Emergent AI app is live on Netlify. Thanks for watching.